Perfect. I just realized something about this. It's an easy curl bar. How did I not know? Perfect. Alright guys, thanks for joining in. So I am going to be painting this is my front sway bar. It's a Whiteline. It's 26 millimeters. I'm going to be painting it red, and I'm also going to be painting the rear one, which actually should be in tomorrow. I'm going to be painting it red as well too. Honestly, I do not know if you need the heat resistant spray paint, but I'm going to do it just to be safe, just to make sure. So I'm going to do a few coats of it. I am going to sand it up first to make sure that the paint sticks, and then tomorrow after the rear comes in, I'll be installing it for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, getting ready to install the front Whiteline sway bar. I spray painted it red for no reason. So I have the bumper off for no reason, because I felt like it. Probably don't need to do it at all, but it may give you more room, who knows. But just kind of working on something else, like the bumper a little bit. So, but here is the stock sway bar and bushings, and then there is the end links that I will be replacing. What I am going to be doing is, obviously I'm going to take off the plastic panel, I'm going to take off the skid plate, and then I'm also going to take off, I don't know if you could really see that well, but right next to where the oil drain plug is, I'm going to take off this black metal piece as well too. It's just going to make it easier when I go to install the sway bar as it runs behind it, as you can see. So it will, or I think you can see, so it should just make life a little bit easier. Just because it's the best way as far as keeping tension on the sway bar and end links. Just makes life a little bit easier as far as removing and installing. But with that being said, I did not have enough room to pull out the sway bar. As you can see, the little bit of a struggle that I got going on here. I didn't have enough room to pull it out, so I had to remove my downpipe, which we all know how much fun that can be. Actually went pretty smoothly, but just another task. So just keep in mind, it may be much easier to just do that from the beginning. So if I had to do it all again, that's exactly how I do it. So, okay, so got everything off, the old end links off, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be matching these up, making sure that they are the same size. You can unscrew them, and then when you do find the correct size, this bolt right here, I'm just going to tighten down. So yeah, so I'm going to just make sure that they are the correct size, line everything up, and install. So the way you're going to install it is, so you have the washers that they give us. There's going to be a washer on each side of the bracket on the car. So there's going to be a washer next to the bolt, and then a washer next to, I guess closer to the base of the end link on each one. So yeah, I'll start the install and go from there. Alright guys, finally got everything installed. I am not gonna lie, that sucked. Like, seriously sucked. I don't know if I was doing something wrong, but these bolts on the end links, I honestly don't even know if they're on correctly or not. They just spin the entire thing as a unit, and there's no area to really grab here with. So I just took a utility wrench and gripped as hard as I could and made them as tight as I could. I don't know the torques on them, I don't know anything, I just know they're tight as shit. So yeah, truly sucked. Make sure you have the right orientation. Again, I'll be very honest, I don't know. We're just gonna find out, I guess. I may even bring it somewhere to have someone look at it, because Whiteline gave zero direction, zero information, and there's not a lot of videos out there as far as the front sway bar in general. So yeah, we're gonna find out. So sorry I don't have better information for you. Just know that if you are struggling with it, so did I. It took way longer than I wanted to, but now I'm putting everything back together. I got the J pipe back on. I gotta put the V clamp on and bundle it up, and hope my car doesn't fall apart. So thanks guys. The rear sway bar should be much easier, but that's what they say. Who the hell really knows? Thanks guys.